CNN snowstorm warnings were the Central Plains by threatening the Christmas Day travelers with delays and dangerous road conditions. More than 725,000 people are expected on Monday morning. Strong winds and iced conditions along a part of Nebraska, South Dakota and Colorado. Important winter storm will allow it to snow. Let snow Christmas in Christmas and dangerous travel where the Central Plains are expected. Weather Service is an update made early in the morning on Monday. Street care workers snowfall. Holiday winter storm prepare Nebraska. Hit streets at the beginning of Omaha. The centers of Northeast and Nebraska are under a snowstorm. Warning with expected 5–11-inch snow ice accumulation. If necessary, we will have full street care personnel starting at 3:30 to flake and spread salt if necessary. Douglas District Engineer Todd Fitzer in Omaha. CNN affiliate KETV 40 snowfall fleet going to the streets at 6 o'clock said, "You should just be ready." The Weather Service also released a snowstorm warning for 11-inch profit for parts of the eastern, middle and southeast South Dakota, and that trip may be very difficult to be impossible. East Central and Northeast Colorado and Northwest Kansas regions also have snowstorm warnings. Until Wednesday morning, the Air Service warned people living in areas under blizzard warnings avoid traveling. But if it has to travel, bring survival kits and stay in their vehicles if they are stranded. Due to ongoing violent snow accumulation and high winds, especially in the middle and northern center in Nebraska, driving conditions are rapidly worsening throughout province. Before the Gaesgindler travel, they are strongly encouraged to control 511.nebraska.gov. Nebraska State Patrol said that travel was not recommended. The South Dakota Highway Patrol has already responded to several accidents in Watertown due to icy roads. Drivers will worsen through ice-covered road conditions and strong winds make driving dangerous. The winter storm system will probably affect flights. Region will advise travelers to check status of their flights, consult their airlines about delays, cancellations, including Epley Airport and Omaha Sioux Falls Regional Airport, South Dakota.